Have you had trouble picking brand colours for your business? If it's a real hassle, I'm going to show you a neat trick that you can do in Canva by just uploading a photo and letting Canva pick the colours for you. So without further ado, let's pop on over to Canva and go. Now that we're in Canva, I'll just show you how quick and easy it is to load up an image and pick some colours from that image. So you can see I've got quite a few different variations, and we'll click on this one. And as the image has been highlighted, you'll click on it, the colour swatch. We'll click on the colour swatch, and Canva has pulled out all these colours from this image in the background. So if we go to a different one, click on the image, pick the colour swatches, it's done the same with this image as well. So you can see out of all these, it's got greeny and ochre colour ones, and it's sort of like my version of the desert dunes kind of colour palette. So how about we make one, and we'll pick something with a bit of blue in it. So maybe, actually we'll go with this one. So I'll pick the image. You just upload a photo, drag it across, and we're just going to pop in a rectangle really quickly for now and pop it to the back. We'll make it white, pop it to the back, and then that way we can actually see what we're doing while we're working. So we'll click on the image, and this opaque circle with the red line is saying we want to pick a colour. So now that we go to the colour swatches, it's picked the photo colours. So you just click on the image, and then you click on the colour, click on the circle rather, not the image, click on the colour, click the circle, click on the colour, and you just keep going. Now, if you're not quite happy with those colours, just say this blue might be just a tad blue. So we'll click on that, go to the colour swatch, go to the plus button, and you can go down to a grey, like down here is where the grey tones are, and up here is sort of more the bluey, lighter, brighter tones. So I'm thinking it might need just a bit of grey, and maybe this colour we might lighten up a little bit. So we'll click on that, go to the plus button again, and just make it a tad lighter. So, and this is, we'll remove this, and what I did with these ones is I just did, I duplicated the photo, so I went right click, duplicate, and stick it on top, and then I go to edit, and I go to blur, and we want to blur the whole image, and the intensity is 100, and so go get out of blur. Then I just pull it down to sort of a rectangle, and I just go backwards, and that's just so you can see the colour swatch a bit better, but that's really neither here nor there. The rectangle, the white rectangle behind it, works really well. So we'll do another one. This just has the blur on it, so I'll just move that again. So just say we'll go the pink colour. This one's quite a nice one. We'll pop the rectangle on again, and we'll make it white again, because that's easy to work with. Push it to the back, and we'll click on the image, go to the circle with the red line, and it's actually pulled colours that I actually didn't think it would pull. So we'll go to this one, and we'll just load it up, and then after you've loaded it up, we'll see if you're quite happy with the colours. Now, this pink is actually quite a brighter pink, and this is slightly like this pink has sort of a bit of grey in it, so I might see if I can lighten this pink up, and we'll go the plus button, just maybe make it a little bit brighter, and this one I might do the same, just take a bit of the grey out. Make it, and I actually think that's a nice colour palette, even though the photo is kind of more like an apricot toned. I actually like what Canva's picked from this image. So it's sort of kind of amazing. You see all these different photos and the colour combinations, and how you can alter them just ever so slightly, and get some beautiful colour swatches for your business or for a set of templates so quickly and easily with Canva.